Hi guys, welcome to Yogi Super Kitchen. Today we are going to see a superb drink which is very good for cold and cough. So this drink is going to reduce our congestion in the chest and in the nose. It will going to reduce our running nose, and it is definitely a very good immunity booster as well, because we are going to use pepper, ginger, and it is a good old remedy. So let's quickly get started. Let's keep a vessel in the stove and keep it on a medium flame, and then add 1 cup of water to it. Let's take a small piece of ginger like this, and then let's grate it and add it. So we are adding that grated ginger. Then we are taking 1/4 of a teaspoon of bell peppers. Let's crush it and add this. So we have crushed it like this, and we are going to add the pepper. Pepper helps in removing the cold, and it is very good for cough as well. It removes the congestion in the lungs and in the nose. It reduces the running nose as well. And then we are going to take 2 betel leaves. Let's remove the top portion of this. Then just do it like this, and then add this. Betel leaves also helps in removing the congestion, the cold, the cough. This drink is very effective. And then we can add 10 to 15 tulsi leaves. Tulsi again helps in reducing the congestion. So let this boil. So let this boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. The color of the water has to change. The color of the betel leaves will get into the water. So let's wait till that. So it has now boiled for about 2 to 3 minutes now. So let's switch off the flame and then transfer it to a cup. So now let's filter this. See how nicely the color of the water has changed. Now let this cool for about 5 minutes. Then we can add 1 teaspoon of honey to this, and then give it a mix. So now our drink is ready. So let's see when we can have this. We can have this once in a day after meals, like either in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening. Only one time a day, but not on an empty stomach, because for some people it will not be good if they are going to have it on an empty stomach. And then if it is for adult, you can have half a glass. If it is for a kid, you can have 1/4 of a cup. And if it is for a very small child, you can just give 3 tablespoons. So if you're going to take this continuously for 3 to 4 days, it will definitely remove your chest congestion and reduce the cough and the cold. So give it a try, and then do let us know how it was in the comment section. So if you like our videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe.